Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2017 Ram 1500 ST Crew Cab. Under the hood we have a 5.7 liter V8 Hemi and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in brilliant black, looks great. You got that chrome accenting up front there with your chrome bumper and your tow hooks there. Got your halogen headlights and your fog lights down there. And coming all the way around to the side of the vehicle here, we do have our Goodyear Wrangler brand tires with our 17-inch rims. Got your heated exterior tow mirrors right there with your turning signal on them. And coming all the way around to the back, we got a 5-foot box back here. Looks great. You do have your Ram badging there with your backup camera and your 4x4. Lots of room back here. Looks fantastic. You do have the spray and box liner as well, so nothing will be getting wrecked back here. Okay, let's take a look at our keys here. So 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock, and we do have our panic button up there. So let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. So on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all here. Handle here and some storage down here. Looks great in here as well. Very spacious, and the seats are very comfortable. You got this guy to lean it back, and then right up here we do have the controls over lights, so the auto, off, daytime running lights, and low beams, as well as our fog lights here and in-cabin light control there. And then we got the controls over the turning signals, windshield wipers, and high beams here. Okay, let's start up here. Key in the ignition, and we're good to go. Now right in the center here we do have a speedometer and odometer, as well as fuel gauge and engine temperature. Right in the center there, it does tell us how many kilometers we have, 1,328, that's pretty much nothing. You can switch it around to your vehicle info, fuel economy, trip A and B. You also have your trailer tow, your messages, screen setup, and you can turn the menu off if it was bright or distracting to you. That is control from right here with your Bluetooth options. Horn in the center and cruise control options right there. Gear shift is right here. And when you are in reverse, you got that ever useful backup camera keeping you nice and safe. You do have your AM, FM, and Sirius XM all in there, as well as your media tab if you have one hooked up through USB, aux cord, or Bluetooth. Phone options right here if you have one hooked up, phone or your compass, settings, and more. Volume up and down with the power or with the mute. You got your screen off, back button, and tuner and browser. And then over here we do have the control over the 2-wheel, 4-wheel lock, and 4-wheel low. And then over here we do have our power up and down for the climate control with the circulation, temperature control with the AC. You have your hazard lights and where it's going to blow it off, plus your defrosts. Down here you got your trailer brake, traction control, and tow and haul mode. Some storage in there and some storage down here. 3 cup holders in the center here with your armrest, doubles as a storage container. Coin holders here with an aux cord and USB plug-in. And then you can lift this guy up and you got another seat underneath there, so it does seat 6 people all together. Then you got your top and bottom layers for your glove boxes, plus you do have some lights up top. Let's take a look in the back. Open this guy up. On the door here you got your handle. You do have the control over your windows, a handle here, and some storage. Looks great back here as well. You can lift these seats up and you do have some storage just underneath there. You do also have your cup holders over there, and you do have some more storage underneath the floor. And there's our 5.7 liter V8 Hemi. Well, that does it for my walk around video, the 2017 Ram 1500 ST. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.